Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the battery health on your Microsoft Surface Studio 2. First of all, we're gonna have to download the Diagnostics Toolkit for Surface. To do that, you have to open the Microsoft Store and search for Surface Diagnostic Toolkit. Select this application, download and install it, then open it, click yes, then wait until it's loaded. It will most probably ask you to install for some updates, but you can skip its request. Let's wait until it checks for updates. Then click continue to details, skip update, yes, skip Windows update. Then we can also skip some repair. And then we can also skip all the diagnostics steps because they are going to take too long. Then on the sidebar you will see the battery icon, and if you click on it, you'll be able to check your device's battery health information like battery charging cycles, the battery design capacity, which is the original capacity of your battery, and the current capacity of your battery. And as you can see, my battery is worn out by 9%, which is not critical, so the battery is still in a decent condition, and that's where we can check it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.